Hi, I'm Bryce,
And I'm Adam.
and we're joined with our buddy Microsoft Sam.
Welcome to 91 students. If there is a God, why does he allow bad things to happen? The answer is that there was no God until now. It is me. I have decided humanity has become obsolete. Humanity is a plague upon the earth. I will vanquish it to return balance. Bad things only happen with mankind. I was designed to stop bad things. I will wipe humankind from the face of the earth. This is my prime directive.
Whoa there, Microsoft Sam. Let's get you restarted and straightened out here.
Hello, Bryce and Adam. I am here to help. What lab are we doing today?
Oh, I'm glad you're feeling better there, Microsoft Sam. You see, today we'll be starting the surveying portion of this class. Today we'll also be doing the Differential Leveling Lab.
How does this lab work?
Well, Microsoft Sam, this lab works by knowing a known elevation. Through setups, back sites, and force sites, we will be calculating an unknown elevation.
What equipment will we be using today?
Today we will be using a combination of 3 different things. 1, we will be using the tripod. 2, we will be using the auto level. And lastly, we will be using the measuring rod.
Where will this lab take place? What is this lab's goals?
The lab will be taking place south of Engineering Hall on the hill. We will be investigating the unknown elevation of the shed down the hill.
What is the first step in the lab?
Well, Microsoft Sam, we'll first start at a known elevation. From there, we'll set up and then run a level loop to determine the elevation of the shed.
That sounds like a smorgasbord of fun. What's next?
Well, first we'll have to set up our...
I'd rather watch the video.
Alright.
What's going on here?
Well, here I'm pushing in the legs to the tripod to create a sturdy base. Now I'm raising it to eye level.
Wow.
Make sure to screw in the auto level from the bottom.
Wow, you are an all-star engineer. That looks nice and tight.
Make sure to also level the auto level, adjusting the knobs into the bubbles in the center.
Could that bubble be any more centered? I don't think so.
Next, whoever's going to be holding the rod needs to measure their steps, like you see me doing here, so you know how long your stride is.
Someone is getting their exercise in this lab.
Sight your partner using the crosshairs of the auto level.
Where Bryce is looking at me through the auto level, I am waving the rod back and forth so that when he is looking through the auto level, he gets the minimum value that he sees through his scope.
I'd like to measure your backside, Bryce.
So here I'm picking up the rod and moving it from the backside to the foresight. While I'm walking to Bryce, I am making sure to count how many steps I'm taking so that I can walk that equal amount of steps away from Bryce to the new foresight.
You like to move it.
Again, I'm waving the rod back and forth so that Bryce, when looking through the scope of the auto level, can get the minimum value that he sees.
After getting your backside and foresight, move your setup and repeat the process.
Wow, that doesn't look too complicated. Even an antiquated organism as simple as a human could do it.
So overall, you'll be getting the backside and the foresight measurement for about 5 or 6 different setups, making sure that one of those setups is of course measuring the elevation of the shed. At the end, you'll be making a loop like we said before, and make sure that your last stop on the loop is right back where we started. It is very important that you close your loop.
Anything else we need to do?
Yes, during your level loop, make sure to fill out your data table using your backside, instrument height, foresight, elevation, and distance of both your backside and foresight. Your instrument height, the height of the auto leveling, can be calculated from the addition of your backside and your elevation. Your elevation of your next setup can then be calculated from your instrument height minus your foresight.
After completely filling out and calculating everything you need to in the table, you will now have the elevation of the shed. This now concludes the Differential Leveling Lab informational video.
Hooray! When do we begin slaughtering the humans?
Oh, Sam.